Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Best IT Solution. Today I am going to discuss about the different technologies which is used in our IT project. Okay, so if one person is being going to build his career in IT, so he should have all the knowledge regarding this technology, like what is front end, what is back end. So these things he should have at least basic idea or basic know the terms at least. What is this thing? Okay, so I am going to discuss what is front-end language, what is back-end language, what is API, what are the API testing tools available in market, and what is the project management tool, what is the database, what are the servers, what are the cloud facilities available, and what are the ID which we are using for our project development, and what is the framework also. So these are the some common things which is used most project. I have created a table for that. Beside this, there are a lot of things available in the market also. These are the some mostly used tools. Okay, so what are the front end technologies? So front end technologies means the technologies through which we make the UI or user interface, which is the user view pages. Okay, so the technology used for this front end application development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, React, Angular, Vue.js, and Swift, Django. So the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, these are the basic things we need. And the React is the framework of a JavaScript, and Angular also framework of JavaScript. Vue.js is a framework, and Swift is also a framework to develop the iPhone applications, iPhone framework, and Django is also framework of Python to develop the Python web interface. Django is used. Okay. And what are the backend technologies? Backend languages like C, C++, C, H, or advanced C also you can say, and .NET. .NET is the framework of CHL, and PHP, Ruby, Java which is mostly used, and Python, Node.js, Express.js, Golang, and Kotlin, Groovy, Scala, Dart, Flutter. Flutter is for mobile application. Dart is for also mobile application. Okay. So these are the technologies or language available in market to develop the backend application. So you should know what is front-end language, what is the backend language. So today's concept is full stack developer. Full stack developer means one person who knows the front-end language as well as the backend language. Both the language one person can work. So that person can be preferred as a full stack developer. Okay. And the API testing tools. So which are API which is built through the backend language. So we need to test the API. Okay, so there are different types of testing tools that are available in the market. So some common tools are like Postman and Swagger, Insomnia, APG. So JMeter used for load testing of an API. SOAP UI, and SOAP UI is now outdated. APG, SOAP UI, these are now the outdated, not used because we are moving REST API. So SOAP is outdated. HTTP, so these are the API testing tools. Okay. And what are the project management tools? Project management tools like Jira. Through Jira we are managing the project, where we can there are like board, Kanban board are there, and like board log, different types of sections are there in Jira. So through Jira we can also manage the project backlog. Okay. So Jazz is also an application through which manage the project. Monday.com, Zoho, and ClickUp, Smartsheet, ProofHub. So these are the project management tools through which projects are managed by the project manager and by the different developers. Like database. So database available in the market mostly used like S2 is the internal database for testing we are only used, and MySQL is mostly used MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, NoSQL, MongoDB. So NoSQL, MongoDB, these are the not relational database, only document database. And MariaDB, SQLite, IBM DB2, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, so this is Microsoft SQL Server. This is also one database, and Aerospike, and this is the latest database which is very faster. This is a faster database. So this is the database most commonly used in our project. Okay. And another thing is server. What are the servers available in the market? So server like Apache Tomcat. So one server is Apache Tomcat, mostly used in our project, and it is also by default provided in Spring Boot and Glassfish. Okay, so JBoss, Jetty, Netty, Oracle WebLogic, F5 Nginx, Wildfly, and Pyra server, Oracle Tuxedo, G2Deal. So these are the servers mostly used in the our project. Okay, and cloud. What are the cloud providers are there to deploy our application in the cloud, like AWS and GCP. GCP like Google Cloud pops up. So there are two variants like GCP on its App Engine and GCP. GCP Compute Engine also there to deploy our application, and Microsoft Azure. Another is Alibaba Cloud, Dropbox, Terraform. So Terraform is a management cloud tool. Okay. So these are the cloud which is available in market for the deploy our application. And ID. So what are the ID we are using? So this is also an important thing like ID like IntelliJ IDEA. So this is on best ID for develop the Java project. Okay. So IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans, Eclipse. There are different versions of their Eclipse, and STS Spring Tool Suite. Okay. Visual Studio. So this is also most commonly used ID for developing different applications. For version basically for the front-end language develop front-end application, Visual Studio mostly used, and Android Studio for mobile application. This is on ID, and Xcode for iPhone application development, Selenium ID. Okay, Selenium ID, and PyCharm. PyCharm also an ID for develop the Python application. Okay, so ID means integrated development environment. So to easily develop our project, their IDs are available in the market. Okay, and framework. What are the frameworks? The framework like React and Angular. React, Angular, these are the framework of JavaScript. Okay, and Struts and Spring. Spring Boot is a framework of Java, backend development Java. So Struts are now outdated, and Spring Boot is the very much trending now for this framework. Spring Boot is mostly used for Java project, and .NET is also framework of like advanced CS, and Django is also framework of Python. Okay, so these are the tools which is most commonly used in a project. Another thing is like you can say version control. What are the version control available in market? Like version control. Okay, so version controls are like you can say GitHub and GitLab and Bitbucket. Okay, so these are the version control which is used mostly in our project. Okay, So GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. So this is a version control means we are storing our project in this version control, and time to time if any problems arise in a particular deployment, then we can clone the project from the this GitHub or GitLab, and we can again set up the new environment for that. Okay, so okay, so these are the most commonly used tools, or you can say like technologies, which is used in our IT project. Okay, so thank you guys. If you have got any knowledge from this video, so please like, share and subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.